Hello, dear friends. Wonder Trip channel is bringing you a very wonderful message, and that is how we can take responsibility of your life. My dear friends, sometime in life we feel that we are going well in our life, but Almighty has created something new for you, but we don't adapt it. We feel that it is not for us. We do not want to come out of our comfort zone. That is very wrong thing. I feel we should see all these things with new perspective. Whenever God has given you something new to consider, then you will have to. Every time when we go for some new work, there is challenge in between it. We have to accept it. How you can do it? With your positive attitude. You can believe in your Almighty and can say, yes, whatever is best for me, He will do it. So why to worry? I am of this very opinion that we should believe in Almighty and take our life decisions accordingly. Life is very uncertain, I tell you, because sometime it goes like up and then sometime down. But what is in your control, that we have to control. You work your heart out. You work passionately. You work with full energy and try to give 100%. Then definitely things are going to be in your favor. I will again tell you that if you take charge of your health, charge of your mission, charge of your workplace, elegantly, things are going to work for you in long run. Shortcuts are not good. We need to focus on our work. Sometimes we assume lot of wrong things, wrong notions we have. What I feel, we need to cover the area of our focus very clearly. When you are hardworking, you are a believer of God, you love team spirit, you learn as a learner every new thing daily, then definitely you are going to make the things in your way. Sometimes we are not able to decide what to do, what not to do. Again, I am telling, we have to believe Almighty. We have to believe our instincts. We have to believe our thought process. We have to believe our persons. When all these things will be done, we are going to do much better in life. Satisfaction level should be on top. Every time you should be hungry to do some new thing. Like Sachin Tendulkar was doing it. He played the game of cricket 24 long years. He was 16 years when he started, and he was 40 years, my dear friends. I think he is the longest time player because of his hunger for runs. He switched the gears according to age. Like when he was young, he was master blaster. When he was in between, he was as an anchor to the Indian team. Similarly, my dear friends, you will have to anchor your relations, anchor your team members, and you will have to support wonderfully to your all known persons. Then we can make our life valuable to everyone. I think my message is very clear. What you can do you try your best. Come out of your emotions, come out of your comfort zone, come out of your negativity, come out of your, routine thinking. Think out of the box and go for the kill. You are the master of your life. You are born winner. So why to worry? So my dear friends, if you are feeling motivated with my this message, then circulate it, share it, subscribe it. All the best. See you till then. Thank you.